Ner malakan yam kan as de alan kontilien ka roisne gwasa me kanwar online TV channel te kon kalermi be kon ling wejani karek mi chitoka ken winimi gorjenu bana rocha ka jan lere chano ngane re wich ka South Sudan ka queen wendi chala do chicken quer chicken nak bantin kon lat korodian ban kem dil link kel lat korodian dorjani ki dor dinka gorjenu be kon roitin en lere chano ngane mi jiram jidit kanor online TV channel malan malati ne chang order under subscribe kade notification bell der jetwan komite galer mi berech da chamala shubekeji anyo gor kono be konte lat korodi re wich ka South Sudan be kon kaling re wich ka South Sudan kelyo kutin konte lat korodian are ler kam be kon linga beje lat ka thoknath kenyam ko kore beje nyoko malade je ka tuk English ko be kulu shublo dun gorjen wo biate ka liang ka jan gwasme shala do ne shungwan kwar wecha chikan na gwasme chaok wo kan kaka o ko to cha kan kaka ka bom re wecha karombek dor jane jan tuori ka meteno shala do no kwar ngwani tin chaok kwal re wech jani ka ngwani jane ka ti ko kan kwal ok tin konti la ok jane ba chala do ken chicken okay kan okan kapa kam section ka leg state karumbeg North County shika kwar shif ramala shif ngai kon ramlan le shif chicken nak wuda mo shale marial mayek wudjane en wale tuori ko mon wale chala do she hok ulo jok kangwani ti chiwa kwal kashi kan kanang katon North East county Kawarab state chwaje chu nyurika da dop kalunde jokjan gwasa dan en waje nekten gwasa mo koroja dan chalat men biya hul ngai gwasa me biya ngaje no kan janga jen gwasa me bani tigre kori ka jen kwi hok mo ban jelinkel ka talk English. The ringleader of a group of cattle rustlers from Pakam section in Lake State, Rumbek North County killed his chief, Marial Mayek, for collecting cattle from Tony East County in Warab State. Rumbek North County Commissioner Moses Maker Magok said that the youth Posma 1 killed the chief after the latter collected looted cattle to return them to the rightful owner of the Luanjang community of Warab State. He said the perpetrator fled the scene after the gruesome murder and has not been apprehended. The incident occurred in the morning time at a place called Aken and Marial Mayek, the safe chief from Utereng Payam, who went and collected some cattle which were stolen by suspected army youths from Rumbek North, was tragically killed after he recovered the animal to return them to the Luanjang community. He explained it. On Wednesday, I ordered the chief to collect the looted cattle, but very unfortunately, after he recovered them and was going to the county headquarters, he was ambushed and killed by the ringleader of the suspected raider, identified as Posma 1. Commissioner Maker said he was going to dispatch security personnel to arm the suspect and bring him to book. I would like to tell the family of the deceased not to engage in revenge because they are from the same family, from the same clan, Buma and Payam, he said. They are one family, he stated. The issue will be taken before the court of law so that the government find a solution on how to bring these people together and how the suspect will compensate the victim family. Also, the law is going to deal with the suspect when he is apprehended. So, mutuoga na kana kuääriɛn chok cha jaw lo jokaka gwada chikanok chikan ganangten kole lalu de jokon kuar kok to lo ni de konen cha okeno kan dol jana to toki dol dinka and wanamo chugana chunyura ka da drop jen manake wudamo man la shif ki kuar which and an enten winami and me jenana gore de nywa ye kel mi jiram jidit ku subscribe ku notification bell ku jetwain ko bler bikan shamala shub ke jigwaz dana pa ga berecha biata kamal bye bye.